Hello, dear traders. How is everybody doing today?
Hey guys.
I just want to welcome everybody. Today is day 2 of our Traders Lab.
Woohoo.
Yep, I just do want to ask everybody to please let us know in chat if everything is okay with the sound and the picture. In the meantime, we'll just jump right into it. First, we are at our terminal. This is our chart. This is our graph. And the main thing that I want to mention is that before you start trading, you do want your chart to be as comfortable for you as possible. I personally like to keep things with the default settings. I do like the dark theme. I do like my candlesticks chart, and I do like them, regular red and green. But I want to mention that you can change this in the settings. If you go in the settings, you can change this theme. You can change it to a light theme, and you can actually have some other options with colors. But
There's
for
also
me,
sound options too, which are really cool. I've been experimenting with them lately.
definitely, yes. With the I keep them silent, but yes, there's a default pack and some other signals, sounds for when the when the trade is opening, when you have some different alerts, when the trade closes with different ways. So it's really really cool. Also in this menu is where you want to pay attention to these parameters like the take profit stop loss. You do want all of them to be selected if you do not see them by some chance in your parameters. And likewise, I did mention that I have my Japanese candlesticks. They are very popular to use, but you can also change the way that your chart is displayed here. You can have an area chart. You can have the Japanese candlesticks like myself. We have the Heikinashi, which is more like an indicator, but basically here is where you can change the different ways that your chart is displayed. Hey, Yaroslav, what do you know about financial instruments, assets?
I know lots actually, Angie. Thank you for asking. I trade oil, I trade gold, Bitcoin is something new. Also, I trade the S&P 500, euro dollar. In fact, all the forex pairs are really interesting to me.
Oh yeah, the euro dollar, it's the most traded currency pair in the world.
World.
So yeah, lots of different assets, you guys. Don't forget to check them out. There's a lot of different classes. There's obviously different cross currency pairs, tons of different ones from different countries. Obviously, we have metals that we mentioned, commodities, stocks, indices, crypto. So of course, don't forget to check all of them out.
Yeah, that's a
Yaroslav, I
lot of
see.
information actually, Angie. How do beginner traders keep track of everything? I mean,
Well,
information overload.
that is a really good question. That is a lot of information, especially if for beginner traders who are just starting out on their journey.
Yeah.
We do have some very, very useful information actually right here at the terminal. You can go into the help section, my friends, and you can, of course, I would advise for you to check out all of these different menus. But the one that I want to show you is insights. In the insights section, you can find different articles and insights that we write, analysts write on different financial instruments and different assets. We provide different automatic trading signals. And likewise, here is where you can find the different upcoming live streams and webinars. By the way, Yaroslav, I see that you're shifting your eyes. Do you have two screens?
Yeah, actually, I have three. One, two, three. I recommend everybody to use at least two, but if for some reason you don't have the opportunity, Olymp Trade on the Olymp Trade platform, you can actually split your screen horizontally. Click the button below your indicators button right there. Angie just showed you guys, and you can access these features. You can use this to watch, say, the price of gold and the Australian dollar, which is a commodity currency, or the price of oil and the US dollar. Remember that oil is traded in the US dollar.
Yeah, another thing that I want to mention is that, we spoke about this yesterday in our Traders Lab, that we do have two financial instruments. We have Forex and we have FTT. And as a matter of fact, you can have the same currency pair, for example, or the same asset. And right here, you can have FTT, and on the bottom, you can have Forex. So that's like another really cool feature. And I totally see the advantage of this. And actually, I use the split screen when I do news trading. Non-farm payroll is coming up this Friday, right?
That's right, this Friday.
So how do you, can you tell me, so how do you keep track of the market 24/7?
Well, actually, I don't keep track of it 24/7. I am more active during the active times when the US and the Europeans are online at the same time, because the working hour is only 8 hours a day in that specific region or in different regions around the globe. And I trade when the US and the Europeans are active. Also, I use different pending orders to catch the price even when I'm not online. Let me show you guys how to do this real quick.
Yeah,
Angie.
let's do
Let
that.
me
Let me
take
go
over
ahead.
the screen right here for a sec.
Absolutely.
So how do you set up a pending order, guys? Have a look at this. So we're looking as Ethereum is dropping down. We had this huge spike on the 1 minute chart, and right around here, I'm going to draw this line right here for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Right around this level, when Ethereum drops to this level, I want to buy, because that's when a lot of business has been doing, a lot of money has been exchanging hands. So what I do right here is, you see this little timer button, this little clock button. I click on it, and then I mouse over to where I want the trade to open. So 2159.20 is where we want to go. 2159.20, and I set up the rate of return to be at least 70. As you guys can see, Ethereum is giving me a rate of return of 80. So I set that up. And now when I enter the price or the amount that I want to trade and the duration, it's going to open up at this price of 21.59.200. So I'm putting in a $5 trade for a 1 minute. So when price drops down here, I expect for it to immediately start to correct. I'll maybe even increase this to 3 minutes to give it a little bit more time, and then up. And as you guys can see right here on my graph, this little up arrow indicates that my trade has been opened at this price level, which is right here. And that's how I trade when, say, I'm asleep or when I'm waiting for some sort of news or a level to be hit. Very, very handy tool. I recommend you guys, all of you guys, to do it.
Yep. I just wanted to mention that with the pending order, you can also send it, you can set it up by a specific quote, like Yaroslav just showed, or you can also set it up by a specific time. So if you want the trade to open a specific time. And just
That's
one more
right.
thing, the rate of return that we adjusted to 70%, you may have noticed that on the platform, sometimes the rate of return changes and sometimes it drops to like 30%. It may not be so profitable, and therefore this is why you want to adjust it, because when the time comes and it's at 30%, you may not want it to open. So that's why we changed it. So
Absolutely.
pending orders are totally very, very convenient to use. And I just wanted to ask you, Yaroslav, you mentioned the trading time when the European trading session and the US trading sessions, they overlap. Isn't this considered like the most active time on the financial market every day?
Absolutely. Those are the regions that are most, financially active, and a lot of business goes through Europe and a lot of business goes through the US. Even people living in Asia, they conduct business through the US and trade during that time.
Yeah, I was going to mention I never catch the Asian trading session because I'm always asleep during that time. Can you tell me yourself about the rate of return and stuff like that? I do see, what is your status level? And by the way, my friends, everybody that's watching, did you guys know that there are 3 different status levels on the Olymp Trade platform: starter, advanced, and expert?
Yeah, that's a great question, Angie. In fact, that's the reason why I have such a high rate of return. As you guys can see, I have certain assets that are 87, 84, 82. This may be a lot more than what you guys are getting. And the reason is because right here, my status is expert. So I have an expert status. And also, I'm going to teach you guys some sneaky ways to keep that status or maybe earn it without actually spending any money.
That's really, really cool. There are benefits that come with the upgrade. Totally. You see that Yaroslav gets up to 92% rate of return. Forex commission is reduced by 20%, and he gets his money withdrawn in 90 minutes, within 90 minutes.
Hey, don't tell my wife that though, okay?
Also, his maximum trade amount is increased to $5,000 on FTT and $4,000 on Forex. This is especially helpful for aspiring traders, advanced and expert status. So with the advanced and expert status, you get access to additional and special materials, exclusive trading ideas and strategies. Do you guys see how powerful this is?
Absolutely, absolutely. And like I said, I really want to keep expert status. It's important to continuously have it on your platform. And look, this is what I'm doing to earn this perk. So here we have Trader's Way. This is a special rewards program that Olymp Trade gives back to the community. And I actually can do these different quests. They're kind of like little tasks that you can do to earn experience to keep your status for longer. Angie, do you want to show what you're like? I have these quests. I need to make 3 profit-making trades of no less than $30. And I think I'm going to be working on that for the next little while today. What about you, Angie? What are your daily tasks on the Trader's Way?
Yeah, let's check mine out too. All righty. So basically we're back to my platform. As you can see, I am on the starter status, and this is basically my daily task that I have to complete today in order to gain the XP points. And you can see the XP points that you're going to get for each of the daily tasks. But I do want to mention that you get XP points for every trade that you open. You get XP points even for closing trades. If they are profitable, you get even more XP points. The quick little thing I want to show you is that I have to open 5 trades that last more than 5 minutes of no less than $4. Here's also $4, but here it's like a little tricky. So I have to open at least 3 trades that are no less than $6. So technically, I can complete this and these tasks parallelly if I open not $4 trades, but $6 trades. And as we complete these tasks, my friends, so basically I have to open some up trades, $4 trades, $6 trades. As you complete the Trader's Way, you get XP points, you get additional bonuses and perks. You get to try out the advanced status at the 5th level and so forth. So definitely check that out. And by the way, my friends, we have a combination of 3 very short videos that actually explain the statuses and the Trader's Way. I sent the links to the playlist for you in chat. So let's go ahead and look for some trades. I was looking at, as you can see, for example, here I have the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar. I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame right now. I do want to open some trades live with you. I have identified my level of resistance and I have identified my level of support. We spoke a lot about this yesterday. And give me just a brief second here. So basically what I wanted to do is you want to trade up from this level of support or trade down from this level of resistance. Let me just drop down to a shorter time frame to see. Okay, I do see that the price is traveling in this, struggling in this vicinity. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, goodness gracious. $6. Adjust my trade time. We're going to go for 3 minutes and we're going to open an up trade. Oh, I said 30 minutes. Oh, goodness. All righty. So actually, as you can see, my friends, I just completed my my daily task, one of my daily tasks. So basically, I just want to show you. I dropped down to the 1-minute time frame. The price bounced from my level of support, and therefore I opened an up trade for 3 minutes. One of them I opened for 30 minutes, but that was an accident, my friends. And as you can see right here, I get a 30% deposit bonus on my next deposit.
That's awesome. Angie, what is your rate of return for that asset?
Oh, yes. Let me just show you this right here. As you can see, in the 90%, since I'm a starter status, unfortunately, I don't have any assets that are 90% or above. I do have assets that are 80 and 82%, and this is normal, for the starter status. And for this, for the New Zealand dollar CAD, we opened with an 80% rate of return.
That's cool. Let me share my screen because I just opened up a trade for gold and I have a whopping 87% rate of return on my investment. So here we see that gold is going up. We have a cross of the smaller moving average. Here we have the 50 crossing over, the larger period moving average, but they're a little bit intertwined, but we can see that the trajectory and the momentum is up. We also have a breakout of the CCI indicator to the top, and the MACD is also above the 0 level and pointed up. So everything came together for this trade, but the power that I have in the expert status is that I have much higher rate of return than what somebody, say, with starter status or advanced status has. So this, like I said, here I can have a 90% rate of return for assets like the pound yen and the Kiwi yen. So you guys see the difference there? This is why it's important to try to get expert status as quickly as possible.
Absolutely. And then whenever, we have our different challenges, different events and stuff like that, I do advise for you to come along, participate, because a lot of times there are prizes where we give out, a test drive with the an upgraded status. So, stay tuned and check that out. Yaroslav, what do you think? I do have a little game prepared for you guys, for our dear traders, our dear viewers. We have a quiz. Yaroslav, what do you think?
Oh man, I love games. And if you're going to give out prizes to our viewers who answer the questions correctly, I think it's a great idea. Do it, Angie.
Fantastic. That is going to be awesome. So I'll go ahead and switch to my screen for just a second.
Ready? Go ahead. I turned off my screen. So only one person can win each time during this quiz, but the first person to answer is going to be the winner correctly, and we're going to give you guys prizes. And to those of you that say don't make any prizes, sit tight because we have other opportunities for you to win.
Yes, so basically the first person that's going to reply correctly in chat, Yaroslav is going to be watching for the name and announce them. And I'm going to go ahead and ask the question. Another thing that I'm going to do is I do understand that the video has a little bit of a lag. Therefore, I'm going to post the question in the chat first, and then I'm going to voice it and show you on the presentation. The first question, everybody look in chat, everybody look in chat. The question is, what is it called when you set up a trade to be opened at a later time? Okay, so we have our question that somebody is throwing in their account ID numbers. So Martha, I see you. So the question is, my friends, and we spoke about this today, and actually Yaroslav opened a trade.
Hey, Madhu Yadav. Congratulations. First of all, good to see you, sir. Second of all, congratulations, you are the winner. Pending order is the correct answer.
That is the correct answer. And Mr. Yadav, if you would please kindly send your account ID number in chat. Yes. All righty, let me not forget to post the second question in chat. Everybody, all eyes on the chat, all eyes on the chat. Let's do this. So the second question is in chat, and it is, what are the 3 different status levels on the platform? Easy questions, my friends, easy questions. Let's see how fast you type. Let's see how fast you type. What are the 3 status levels on the platform? I'm trading on the, okay, well,
because you already won, Madhu Yadav, unfortunately, we can't accept your answer, but absolutely the second person who will get that started advanced expert.
Copy paste,
there you go,
copy paste.
Deepak Giri, congratulations.
Congratulations. Awesome. That's fantastic. Let's go ahead and proceed. Of course, don't forget to the second winner. Please don't forget to send your account ID number in chat. And we are down to the last question for this quiz. All righty, it's in chat. And the third question is, started as expert. And the third question is, it's actually from yesterday's lab. What is the maximum trade duration on FTT? The maximum trade duration.
Everybody's writing 23 hours. Are you guys sure about that?
I do. Deepak Nishad, 1 minute. Actually, 1 minute. That was yesterday's question. That was yesterday's question.
Deepak Giri, please go ahead and send your account ID as well. I don't see it in chat yet.
We have some interesting replies.
Pushpa, I think, has the correct answer.
I agree. I agree. Very, very precisely said. So yes, now in my reply, it is 24 hours, but if you think about it, technically, if the maximum time is 24 hours, then even if you're, entering the market, it's going to be 23.59. What do you think?
23.59 is the correct answer. Absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, my friends, that was actually just one part of the giveaway for today. So we had our quizzes and we are going to continue playing our games during Traders Lab. So you guys, of course, pay attention to that. And by the way, we can see right here that my trades did close in profit, my friends, in profit for today in ZDCAT. And the unfortunate trade that I opened for 30 minutes is in the profit too. So that's cool.
Good job, Angie.
The second thing that we are going to do today, we're going to raffle some risk-free trades from yesterday's live stream. So basically, this is the stream from yesterday. There was a lot of comments, like 80 comments. Thank you so much for participating. All I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link. We asked you guys a question yesterday. It was, what is the minimum trade duration on FTT? The correct answer is 1 minute. And another thing that I just want to mention is that I did see some people posting replies without their account ID numbers. Please make sure to include your account ID numbers whenever we are having these raffles. And today we are actually going to choose not one, not two, not three, but seven winners, my friends, 7 winners. All righty, let's start. Random. Okay, so the first winner is Olymp Trade Global. That's me.
I won.
Whoop, whoop, give my risk-free trades. All righty, let's go ahead and start one more time. Oh, Yekaterina Mochalova, 1 minute and ID number. Thank you very much. You are correct. That is the correct answer. Nice to see you. If you are here in chat, please let us know. Nice seeing you. That is the correct answer. Let's go ahead and start again. Our second winner. Let me keep track that I don't give out more than I'm supposed to. Logesh S. Minimum trade duration in FTT is 1 minute. ID number. Thank you very much, Logesh. Congrats. If you are here, give us a shout out in chat.
Angie, are you copying the account IDs there?
No, but it's okay. I'll get them after. I'll get them afterwards. All righty. So we got 2 winners. Let's go ahead and go with the third. Ahmed Ali, minimum trade amount is $1. Absolutely correct. That is our third winner. Congratulations. Let's go with our fourth winner. Okay, No Fear 28 Gaming, 10 USD from Philippines, my account ID number. That unfortunately is not the correct reply. It is $1. Let's go ahead and we're looking for our fourth winner. Exclusive Alicia. Or Elisha, if I mispronounce your name, please do forgive me. 1 minute, my ID is, and that is correct. That is our fourth winner. And we have 3 more, my friends, 3 more. Wild Fox 23, what is the minimum amount of trading? I guess that was the question. The minimum amount for trading is $1. All righty, so still looking for our 5th winner. Okay, this one we already had. Mr. Ali already won. Minimum trade duration, FTT 1 minute. Fani Ramd. Our congratulations to our 5th winner. And we have 2 more, my friends. We have 2 more. Let's see here. And 3 to 5 minutes. The Haval Vias. No, that is not correct. The minimum trade duration can only be 1. So it's 1 minute. Okay, so still looking for our 6th winner. Our 6th winner is going to be Shivam. Shivam, congratulations. That is correct. And finally, we are looking for our final winner for today. And that is going to be Amrane Belaid. So my friends, my biggest and huge congratulations to all of you. Oh, that was a very, very fortunate 2 trades. The 30-minute time frame, we'll have to see. It may bounce from this level of support back up, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see about that. Just a quick question. Another mention. See how my rate of return dropped to 10%? That's why you want an expert status. My friends, go ahead and leave your, we want to know your honest feedback. We want to know what you think about the Traders Lab. Are you enjoying our lessons? Are you getting valuable information? And what else do you want from us to hear from us and for us to teach you? Go ahead and leave your replies, your comments, your feedback in the comments below this video. And don't forget to include your account ID number. And tomorrow we'll raffle some risk-free trades as well. But I have to mention, my friends, don't just leave your account ID number or just say hi and put your account ID number. We are going to be looking for actual comments, for actual feedback and replies from you, my friends.
That's right. And what were we going to say about during this week, we are running an incredible challenge. Angie, I'll leave that to you. Did you want to describe what it is?
Yeah, I also wanted to mention that we have a special promo code for you guys. It is going to be, it works from today and it works all the way up until and through this Saturday. The promo code, let me go ahead and post it in chat right quick.
I already did, Angie. It's pinned in
chat.
You did? Promo code is LAB30, you guys. You get a 30% to your deposit, and we know that you're participating in this challenge with us.
Thank you so much for that. I didn't notice. So basically throughout this week, you know, we are going to have the Traders Lab. We're going to teach you, and we thank you that you are participating today. And even if you're watching this video afterwards, you are part of the movement. And we really hope that you gain the knowledge that you need in order to succeed. So, we'll provide you with the tools and you simply need to use them. During our next stream tomorrow, during the same time, it's going to be with Nick, and he is going to give you great tips on money management, which is extremely important, and also teach you some tricks on how to stay composed in the most stressful situations.
Well said, Angie. I'm definitely going to be watching Nick's video. Make sure to leave a like below this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. We produce a ton of content that has been helping traders succeed for many years now. Now, we have the Traders Lab Challenge going on this week, and every day we're going to be hosting a webinar, and we're going to be giving away free gifts and free prizes. Make sure to check out the schedule. We're going to post it in the description below the video and in our community post, which is on our YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for coming. Angie and I together wish you guys good luck trading out there, and see you guys next time.
See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.